Hey there. Struggling with a Firestick 4K remote that won't work or pair? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix remote not working and not pairing on Firestick 4K. From simple battery checks to more advanced resets, follow these steps to get your remote back on track and enjoy seamless streaming again. Step 1. Check and replace the batteries. The simplest way to start resolving your Firestick remote issues is by checking the batteries. Often, depleted or incorrectly inserted batteries cause remote malfunction. Check the batteries. Open the battery compartment of your remote. Ensure that the batteries are installed correctly, observing the positive and negative ends. Replace the batteries. If the batteries are running low, replace them with fresh AAA batteries. Always use high-quality batteries to ensure optimal performance. Proper battery installation and fresh replacements can solve the majority of remote issues. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. Sometimes a quick restart of your Firestick 4K can help resolve minor glitches that affect remote connectivity. Unplug the Firestick. Disconnect your Firestick device from the HDMI port and power source. Wait for 30 seconds. Allow your device to reset by keeping it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect and power on. Reconnect your Firestick to the HDMI port and power source, then power it on. Restarting can clear temporary bugs and restore proper functionality to your remote. Step 3. Repair the remote. If your remote is still not pairing, try repairing it with your Firestick 4K. Press and hold the home button. Hold the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds. Check the indicator light. Look for a blinking light on the remote indicating it's in pairing mode. Wait for confirmation. Your Firestick should display a message confirming a successful pairing. Repairing often helps in reestablishing the connection between your remote and device. Step 4. Reset the remote. If all else fails, resetting your remote might be the answer. Press and hold specific buttons. Hold the menu, back, and left buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Wait for the process to complete. Release the buttons and wait for 60 seconds to reset the remote completely. Pair the remote again. After resetting, follow the pairing steps again to reconnect your remote to the Firestick. Resetting returns the remote to its original settings, solving persistent issues. Step 5. Check for interference. Ensure that nothing is obstructing the connection between your remote and Firestick. Clear the pathway. Ensure no objects block the direct line between the remote and device. Check for other interference. Wireless devices and electronics can interfere with the signal. Try moving them away. Minimizing interference ensures the signal can correctly reach your Firestick. By following these steps, you should be able to fix remote not working and not pairing on Firestick 4K efficiently. Whether it was a simple case of dead batteries, connection interference, or the need for resetting, the solutions provided will help restore your streaming experience. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Don't hesitate to run through these steps again if needed. Happy streaming.